It sounds like people talking, but you can't make out what it is. Now we know it was chatter. At the time, we didn't know what it was. And we're hearing all this commotion down there going
Gibberish.
below us.
We're
Yeah.
hearing gibberish.
Speaking gibberish.
Both.
Honestly, it sounded like a male and a female talking, or 2 or 3 males and a female, but it sounded like a female voice in there at the time.
Mhm.
You just couldn't tell what they were saying. And they're walking, you can hear the sound going below us.
And you can tell
but there's not a light one on. Nobody's using a flashlight.
You wouldn't be out there without one.
And the trail, there's only one trail going through there. That's the one we took to come up on top of the bluff.